what you're going to see here is that I'm at $105,309.42. Yes, this is a demo account because that's what they make you trade on when you're taking phase 1 and phase 2, and that's why I wanted to make sure I showed you guys that I passed this and got the live account too. I wouldn't have wasted my time on this if I didn't think I could get to the live account, and I only know that because James and all the other guys I trade with all had live accounts from them. So you trade demo for the first 2 phases, and then you get a live account from them after the fact. Beyond that, as you can see, it was really a nice 30 days of trading from November 16th when they gave me the account all the way through to about December 13th, so almost a full month. That's how long it took me to make the 5%, 32 days, but that includes weekends and stuff like that. That's not just 32 trading days. On average, it says I'm taking about 3.6 trades per day, which is probably correct since with some of the positions I would add in and take a second or third entry with small risk, of course, but I would add into a position that was working. My monthly return at 5.6%, weekly return at 1.3%, peak drawdown, I'm very proud of this, at 0.3%. And then you can see my trade win percentage at 73%. So very low drawdown and a very high win rate, which is what we focus on teaching in the strategies that I sell in the ASFX education programs. All of the trading that I did here, even though the majority of it is on Bitcoin, all of it is foundationally built off the Forex entry signals that I have, the A1, the D1, and the D2. Only over time have I gotten more advanced and crossed over and traded now indices, and as you can see, a lot of crypto. 53% of all of my trades over the last 30 days were on Bitcoin. And as you can see, some of my winners, the longer winners, they have really all been on Bitcoin because I've been able to swing trade that. You can see from the duration and profitability chart down here at the bottom, all of my losers, I get out of them very quick. And I'm out of my winners pretty fast too, but I'm able to really maximize these winners. You can see there's no red dots out here longer than 10 hours, 20 hours, 30 hours. The average trade length over the last 30 days was about 3.4 hours. The average result was $45.77. The average win was $124, and the average loss was $170. And that's where I think I could be better, and I'm sure you guys in the comments will agree with me. The average loss should be smaller than the average win. Now, I have a high win rate, 73%, which allows that to be okay, and that's why I'm still profitable, but I'm really focused with this live account on now getting my average win up and keeping my average loss small. Out of all the statistics here, that one stands out to me as where I could improve the most. One more section that's really important to show you here is the daily profit statistics. You can see on a daily basis, I'm not having massive wins. I had a really nice win here at the end, and I'm going to show you that trade in a second on Bitcoin. But as you can see, I'm hitting really $500 to $1,000 gains, which are 0.5% to 1% gains, even smaller than that sometimes, but my losses are super small too. The days that I finished down were only 2 days on the entire 3 days right here on the entire month. Down $66, down $290, and down $250. Every other day I was either flat or profitable, which I think is another huge factor in the trading. Look in here. There are days where there are not trades. Those are trading days too, like a Monday, a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's not weekends. So be aware that there are going to be days where you don't trade. And even within 30 days, you can still pull a 5% profit. Look at how my risk is controlled. My drawdown is clearly controlled. And because I'm aware of these statistics, I kind of just play into them and let them do the work for me. I continue to win at a high rate, and I'm focused on increasing my average win and decreasing my average loss.